Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to create the Zootopia selfie scene video trend on TikTok using Capcut. If you're new here, then please subscribe to see more videos like this and don't forget to like this video. So if you want to create these kind of videos, then let me show you how you can do this. So for this, to create this video, you'll need TikTok and you'll need Capcut. Capcut is a free app from your App Store or your Google Play Store. Go ahead and download it. Once you've downloaded Capcut, open up your TikTok app. Next, you want to tap on search here at the top. And here you're searching for Zootopia Capcut template. Now, once you do that, in the search results, you want to go ahead and tap on any of the videos that shows up. Within that video, you're looking for this Capcut Try This Template button. So go ahead and tap on it. Now this will show you the template which you're going to use. So you have the Zootopia video on the top, and at the bottom will be your video. Go ahead and tap on Use Template in Capcut. This will open up Capcut and will show you the template again. Go ahead and tap on Use Template at the bottom right. Now here you're supposed to select 6 videos. Before going into Capcut, you want to create all those videos. You want to take pictures which are similar to what you see above here. So here at random, I'll just choose a video. Then I'll take 5 pictures. Then I'll tap on preview at the bottom right. This will create the video for me and will show me a preview. And once you're happy with that, go ahead and tap on add sound in TikTok. This will export the video and send it over to TikTok. And now it'll automatically add the sound for you. Now preview a video and then post it on TikTok. So that is how to create the Zootopia selfie scene video trend on TikTok using Capcut. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.